Hi, this is Brian Stark, and I'm going to show you how to use Map Booklet Printing. This feature is handy for printing multiple maps for customers, landlords, or trusted advisors. The end result will be a PDF file for printing, emailing, or saving. To get started, go to the Map Booklet Printing button. If there's a date range to use for the map printing, check the box and enter the start and end date. Now select the fields for the report. In this example, we'll choose field 6, but multiple fields can be selected here. Now a list of crop years will appear. You can select as many as you need, but in this example we'll select only one, 2015 corn. This action will display all available attributes and supplies for that crop year to pick from. Because I imported soil sample results for that field 6, you're seeing quite a few nutrients, which explains the long list. We also imported a variable rate prescription map that was created for nitrogen, which explains the 28% supply to pick from. For this customer, I need to print the variable rate prescription map and maps for 6 nutrients from the soil sample task, so I'll check all those items to be included in the booklet. Other options will appear below to help customize your booklet. If you want to include a page showing the boundary, check the box and be specific on the type of boundary to include. Most will want the field boundary, which is found in the main layer, but you can also include the enterprise boundary, which is handy if your boundaries change for each crop year. If using a boundary, it will be page 1 of the booklet. If you wish to include range counts and histograms for the legend, check the box. Label descriptions can be printed too, but be careful as the zoom level of the labels can impact the appearance of the map, so you might need to play around with this option to dial in your preference. If you wish to see background imagery, a couple of options are available. Roads show only the lines of the roads, while roads and satellite show the most detail. The only drawback about roads and satellite is the extra ink to print, and processing the PDF might take a few extra minutes. To help with the image wait time, you can select the button below. Using the slider bar to decrease the time will reduce the image resolution or remove the imagery if there are downloading issues. To add your company logo to the booklet, check the box and click the Change button. We'll browse our computer. In this example, we have a JPEG. And for the last step, select the view. Base data only shows the original data points for each map, no grids or contours. If you need grids and contours, click the other option. Click Print allows you to save the PDF to any location. And if we request the grid and contour option, we can select the size. In this example, we'll use 100-foot grids. Click OK to proceed. This process may take a few minutes to create, so please be patient as it prepares the documents. When finished, the PDF will appear on the screen for review, and if we click through the pages, we can see everything looks great for us to email or print. Thanks again for learning more about Map Booklet Printing, and please subscribe to our channel to be notified of future videos.